goodbye to uneven edges with the Grizzly G0401 Oscillating Edge Sander, a powerhouse built for serious sanding. It features a massive 6-inch by 102-inch belt that oscillates up to 1/4 of an inch to reduce heat and loading. With its 3 HP motor and cast iron construction, it delivers industrial-level performance for precision work. The tilting platen and adjustable tables make it incredibly versatile for bevel sanding. It's a dream machine for cabinet shops and pro woodworkers alike. Whether you're smoothing edges or shaping curves, this beast handles it all. Dust collection ports also keep your workspace clean and efficient. Transform your workflow instantly with the Pony 2-in-1 clamping worktable and Sawhorse. This genius tool doubles as a sturdy worktable and flips down into a strong Sawhorse when needed. Built-in clamps hold your work securely in place, making cutting, gluing, or sanding tasks effortless. It's lightweight yet stable enough for job site work or garage projects. Tool-free setup and folding design make it highly portable and easy to store. Whether you're a DIYer or a weekend woodworker, this table adapts to your project needs. It's a must-have for anyone short on space but big on ideas. Cleaning up sawdust just got way easier with the Dust Right Floor Sweep and Blast Gate combo. Just sweep debris into the low-profile hood and watch it vanish into your dust collector. The integrated Blast Gate ensures suction is directed where it's needed, minimizing loss. It's perfect for busy workshops where mess builds up fast. The wide mouth catches everything from chips to fine dust in one go. Durable construction ensures it stands up to heavy use without clogging. If you're tired of dragging around a shop vac, this floor sweep is your new best friend. Need an extra hand in the workshop? The ToughBuilt roller stand has your back. Its height-adjustable design and foldable frame make it ideal for in-feed, out-feed, or extra support during long cuts. The chrome ball-bearing roller glides smoothly under materials without catching. Heavy-duty legs and a wide base offer impressive stability for tough tasks. It's perfect for working solo with sheet goods or lumber. When folded, it stores away easily until your next build. Strong, simple, and reliable. Every workshop should have one. Slice through wood like butter with the WEN 33606 variable speed jigsaw. With a 6.6 amp motor, this saw cuts through hardwoods and curves with surgical precision. The laser guide and LED light keep your cut straight and your visibility clear. You can adjust the speed and orbital settings for aggressive or fine control. Its tool-free blade change makes switching tasks seamless and fast. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, even during longer sessions. Whether you're crafting patterns or straight lines, this jigsaw delivers smooth, controlled power. This clever fixture lets you clamp workpieces at virtually any angle with rock-solid grip. The Woodpeckers vari-angle clamping fixture rotates and locks in place, adapting to the shape of your project. It's built for odd-shaped parts and complex joinery that standard clamps can't handle. The solid aluminum build means it's precise, durable, and perfect for repeat use. Whether you're working on boxes, frames, or creative builds, it saves tons of time. It works flawlessly with other clamping systems too. Say hello to flexibility without compromise. These compact corner clamps make 90-degree joints a total breeze. With one-hand operation and strong spring tension, the Wheatl's corner clamps hold boards securely while you drill or fasten. They're perfect for frames, cabinets, or drawer boxes where right angles matter. Durable aluminum alloy jaws ensure longevity without warping. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this tool adds speed and precision. It's small but mighty. Just clamp, align, and go. A real time saver for any assembly job. Meet your joinery wingman, the Milescraft Joint Master Dowel Jig. This aluminum dowel jig self-clamps to your workpiece for perfect alignment every time. No slipping, no shifting, just dead-on dowel holes. Its adjustable fence and metal bushings let you drill multiple sizes with confidence. Whether you're making furniture or cabinetry, it adds strength to every joint. Designed for fast setup and repeatable results, it's ideal for batch production. Take your dowel game to the next level. The Milescraft Dual Edge Sander lets you sand inside and outside corners with total control. Its clever design hugs edges tightly, guiding the sandpaper exactly where it's needed. The built-in clamps keep your abrasive locked in, making every pass count. It's great for smoothing trim, door edges, or panels quickly. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it fits right in your hand. No more awkward angles or scratched surfaces. This tool brings precision to your final sanding step. Forget measuring tapes. This is smarter. The Easy Measure Stick lets you capture and transfer measurements instantly. Designed like a story stick, it records dimensions directly from your project to save time. No numbers, no errors, Just slide, mark, and repeat. Perfect for spacing shelves, copying layouts, or repeating cuts. The adjustable sliders make it extremely versatile. If you love accuracy and speed, this simple stick becomes an essential shop companion. This clamping setup turns air pressure into woodworking precision. Rockler's pneumatic clamping system grips your parts tightly with the push of a button. It's ideal for production work where speed and consistency matter. Mount it to your bench or jig and reduce strain from manual clamps. With adjustable pressure, you can tackle delicate parts or bulky frames with ease. Save your hands and speed up your builds. This is automation-level power in a small package. Tiny, tough, and laser accurate. The Paolini pocket rule is every woodworker's measuring dream. It features built-in guides and reference holes for fast, repeatable marking. The anodized aluminum body resists wear and slides easily across wood. Choose from multiple scales for layout, spacing, or trimming tasks. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse for layout perfectionists. Whether in the shop or on site, you'll reach for it every time. Don't let its size fool you. It's a precision machine. Cut the cord without losing suction. The Festool cordless forstner extractor offers mobile dust collection in a compact, stackable design. Powered by twin 18-volt batteries, it delivers serious runtime and power. It's whisper quiet, yet tough enough for job site use. The integrated forstner design keeps your gear organized too. It pairs perfectly with Festool tools for total dust control, clean cuts, cleaner air, anywhere you go. These templates bring perfect corners to every project. Rockler's corner radius. Templates offer a range of radii, ideal for tabletops, shelves, or custom panels. Just align, clamp, and run your router for smooth, repeatable curves. The tough acrylic construction stands up to repeated use without flexing. It's a huge time saver compared to measuring and freehanding. Great for adding style and softness to sharp corners. Clean, consistent curves every time. Trim edges like a pro with the Milescraft 8403 laminate trimmer. This tool handles edge banding, laminate, and veneer without gouging or tearing. Its compact body and ergonomic grip make it easy to guide around curves and corners. Designed for clean, flush finishes with minimal effort, a must-have for cabinets, tabletops, and finish work. It's simple to use, even for beginners. Get that factory edge look without the price tag. Straight, strong, and deadly accurate. The SERX straight edge rule is the gold standard for layout precision. It's machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and stays dead flat across its full length. Whether you're checking surface flatness or marking lines, this rule delivers unmatched reliability. The laser-etched markings stay sharp and easy to read for years. It's ideal for squaring tools, machines, and even glue-ups, built for those who demand perfection in every detail. When precision matters, this is the rule you reach for. Cut cleaner. Flatter holes with UUS tools, forstner bits. Perfect for woodworking projects that need finesse. These bits bore through hardwood and softwood with razor-sharp edges and a self-centering point. The clean walls they leave behind make them ideal for doweling, hardware install, and decorative cuts. Heat-treated steel ensures long life and durability. They don't wander or tear like spade bits, even in end grain. Whether you're building furniture or drilling for hinges, they deliver crisp results. Every workshop needs a solid forstner bit set. This one delivers. Turn your router into a precision joinery machine with the Milescraft Edge and Mortise Guide. It attaches quickly to most routers and helps you cut mortises, edge profiles, and hinge slots with total control. The centering system ensures your cuts stay right on track. It's built with rugged materials that stand up to frequent use. Perfect for cabinetry, doors, and custom joinery. It takes the guesswork out of handheld routing. Get clean, centered cuts every time with this clever add-on. Built for high-performance precision, the Festool Carvex PS420 jigsaw is a beast in a compact shell. It's lightweight but tough, featuring triple-blade guidance for dead-straight cuts. The stroboscopic light keeps your cut line visible at any speed. Easily switch base plates for curved, beveled, or flush cuts. It's ideal for pros who demand perfect results in wood, plastic, or metal. Fast blade change and variable speed dial add versatility. If you're serious about scroll work, this saw is your best friend. Tight on space? The Kreg Micro Pocket Kit lets you create smaller pocket holes for thinner materials. It's great for drawer boxes, small face frames, and detailed cabinetry. Compatible with the standard Kreg jig system, setup is a snap. The reduced hole size means stronger joints and smaller stock. You'll get cleaner finishes with less filler and faster assembly. It's a game changer for delicate joinery work. Tiny holes, big impact, Kreg does it again. Make your mark with absolute precision using the Rockler branding iron jig. This alignment tool helps you position your branding iron perfectly every time. Whether you're stamping logos or initials, the jig keeps everything square and consistent. It adjusts quickly for different iron sizes and material thicknesses, great for adding a professional touch to your finished pieces. No more crooked or off-center burns. Your signature deserves to shine. This jig makes sure it does. Sharpen like a pro with Rockler's Deluxe Honing Guide and Setup Gauge. This system holds your chisels and plane blades at the perfect angle for consistent honing. The included setup gauge makes repeatability effortless. Whether you're flattening bevels or polishing edges, this guide takes the guesswork out. Built to last with heavy-duty materials and precision fit. It's a must for anyone who values razor-sharp tools. Keep your edge and your work at its best. Compact and capable, the Woken laminate trimmer is a versatile tool for edge finishing and detail work. With its 1/4 inch collet and high-speed motor, it trims laminates and softwood edges with ease. The ergonomic grip ensures control and comfort during long sessions. Perfect for cabinetry, shelving, or adding bevels. Built tough for consistent performance across jobs. Whether you're refining edges or routing small grooves, it's a solid go-to. Don't underestimate this little powerhouse. Prevent over-drilling with the Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set, your go-to for controlled, repeatable holes. This 3-piece universal set fits most drill bits, locking in place with a simple screw. Great for shelf pins, dowels, or hinge cups where depth matters. The collar prevents splintering and helps keep your holes clean. Whether using a hand drill or drill press, accuracy is dialed in. No more measuring guesswork or blown-through boards. Simple, affordable, and incredibly useful. Pocket hole joinery just got portable with the Armor Mini Jig. This compact system delivers full-size performance in a small, easy-to-carry package. It auto-adjusts to your material thickness for quick, no-hassle setups. Perfect for quick repairs, on-site builds, or space-limited shops. The clamping is firm, and the results are rock solid. It's proof that big results can come from small tools. Keep one in your apron. You'll use it more than you think. Installing drawer slides is no longer a pain with Rockler's undermount jig. This clever tool guides your drill for perfect undermount hardware installs. The clear markings and built-in stops make alignment easy. Say goodbye to crooked drawers and lopsided slides. Whether you're a hobbyist or contractor, this jig saves time and frustration. Compatible with popular drawer systems, get pro-level precision without the guesswork. Secure awkward parts with serious grip using the Woodpeckers knuckle clamp. Its adjustable arms and knuckle joints give you unmatched clamping flexibility. Whether you're holding tapered, angled, or irregular pieces, this clamp locks them down. Built from premium materials with Woodpecker's signature quality, ideal for setups where no ordinary clamp fits. Add it to your clamping arsenal for jobs that test your creativity. When nothing else works, this clamp does. The Bessey EKT55 brings serious pressure to edge gluing with just one hand. It clamps boards together while aligning the edges perfectly flush. This means fewer clamps and fewer headaches during glue-ups. Its smooth handle and strong steel frame make it easy to tighten and adjust. Ideal for tabletops, doors, and panels. Save time and space with this compact yet powerful tool. One clamp, endless possibilities. Unlock new routing options with the M-Power Combination Router Base. It adds stability, visibility, and control to your compact router. Great for edge profiles, dados, and fine detailing. The micro adjustment dial helps you dial in perfect depth. Its modular design works with multiple accessories. Whether trimming laminates or carving joinery, this base improves every pass. Precision routing just got a serious upgrade. Hold lumber firmly without crushing it using the Tri-Vise lumber lock. This steel vise grips round or square stock for safe, stable work. It's a fantastic solution for carving, notching, or tenoning logs. Just strap it down and let it do the holding while you do the cutting. Its open jaw design allows maximum versatility. If you work with logs or timber, this is a total game changer, built for the rugged woodworker who thinks big. Build rustic furniture like a pro with the 2-inch log tenon cutter from Lumberjack Tools. It turns rough logs into perfect round tenons for strong, stylish joints. Mount it to your drill and start shaping log ends for chairs, railings, or beds. Durable steel construction and replaceable blades mean long-term use. Great for DIYers and pros crafting lodge-style builds. Simple to use, yet powerful in what it creates. Rustic woodworking starts here. Find the exact center of any board instantly with MicroJig's automatic center finder. Just slide it across and let the marking pin hit dead center every time. No math, no measuring, just fast, reliable layout lines. Perfect for dowels, hardware, or symmetrical cuts. It saves time and boosts accuracy on every project. Compact and intuitive, it fits in your pocket or pencil pouch. It's small, but it'll become one of your most used tools. That wraps it up. If you found a tool you liked, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tools coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.